If you are a businesswoman in Nigeria, you have no business taking loans from loan sharks at extremely ridiculous rates. Yes, I said what I said. My name is Peter Babajide. I'm your host on the Street Banker YouTube channel. At the end of this video, you would have learned at least two Nigerian banks that would give you cheap loans of up to 10 million naira without using landed properties as collateral. In one of the videos I posted on the YouTube channel, showing on your screen, I talked about how you can get bank loans easily. And I did another video explaining how loan sharks are ripping you off your hard earned money. The link to the video is showing on your screen right now. Now, it's time to dial the notch up higher. Do you know, as a Nigerian businesswoman, you can get loans of up to 10 million naira at a cheap rate of 25% per annum? Oh, you think that's too much? Let me give you context. September 2024, the Central Bank of Nigeria increased the MPR to 27.25% per annum. Do you know what MPR means? It means that if any Nigerian bank approached CBN and asked for a loan, they will not get it cheaper than 27.25% per annum. Now, imagine that Nigerian banks get that loan, a Nigerian bank get that loan, then they will now take that loan, add their own interest, add their cost of fund, add every cost of operation and everything, then use it to give loan to customer. By the time they'll give loan to customer, it will be in the range of 35% to 40% per annum. Now, as a woman, you can have up to 10 million naira loan at an interest rate of 25% per annum, and your collateral will be guarantor. Let's check it. The first bank that I know that has this particular product specifically designed for women is the Access Bank PLC. Access Bank has a particular product they call the W Power Loan. Now, with the W Power Loan, you can get, with your turnover that is good enough, you can get up to 10 million naira loan without using legal mortgage as collateral. So I know what you're asking. You're saying, what then is the collateral? The collateral is your guarantor. All you need to get from your guarantor is two undated checks of the guarantor and the turnover, the statement of the guarantor showing that the guarantor has enough turnover to cover the loan. For example, if you want to take a 10 million naira loan from Access Bank, don't forget in the video I shared about what you need to do to get bank loans is that you need turnover. So if you want to get a 10 million naira loan, for example, you need at least, give or take, 130 million naira turnover in a year. Now, say you've gotten that you are eligible in terms of you have positive credit checks, you don't have any bad loan, you are of good character, and you've been running your account smoothly. You can use that loan and pay back in a year, because we have two types of the loan. They have the W Power Time Loan or Term Loan, and then they also have the W Power Vehicle Loan. Now, the W Power Time Loan is a loan that you pay back within a year. Generally, time loans are loans that you pay back in 12 months or less. So you can use that for your working capital. So you need to buy more goods, you need to stock up for sales period, you need to stock up to do maybe business expansion and likes. You can use the W Power Time Loan. You pay back within 12 months. Then there's a W Power Term Loan. So if you want to do asset finance, so you want to buy a particular machine for your business, you want to buy a particular equipment, stock up equipment for your business, they expect that, okay, you can pay that for more than a year. That's the W Power Term Loan. And again, the collateral for these loans is just your guarantor's check, as long as guarantors have enough turnover to cover for the loan. The next thing is the W Power Vehicle Loan. So if, as a woman, you have good turnover, your business is doing well, don't forget, I already mentioned that you need a business account in the video I did on requirements of getting a bank loan. If you need a vehicle, all you need to do is go to a vendor, especially if the vehicle is a brand new. You go to the vendor with 20% equity contribution and your checkbook, the bank will give you the loan. Access Bank will give you the loan. Why? Because the car will be used as your collateral. Now, looking at instances such as that, the question is, why then are you still going to loan sharks to borrow, to take loans as high, with interest rate as high as 20% per month? Why? Do you want to kill yourself? You need to keep it at the back of your mind that as a business person, if you must take loan, look for the cheapest loan with little to no stress. Access Bank is not the only bank that care so much about women. No, they are not. There is another bank in Nigeria that has a product specifically designed for women, and that bank is Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank also have a product they call the Z Woman program. The Z Woman program gives you access of up to 10 million naira loan. The interest rate they have on their website here is 14.5% per annum. Do I believe that is 14.5% per annum? I cannot say. I do not know. I am thinking the interest rate here is a little bit outdated, but I might be wrong. So, but one thing I'm sure is that it cannot exceed 25% per annum. It cannot. And what sector? All sector. For you to get the loan, your business must have a shareholding structure of 50% owned by women. That is, 50% of the business must be owned by a woman or women. The purpose must be for business expansion. That's for your working capital. You need to buy raw materials, or maybe you want to upgrade your infrastructure. And they can give any sector. Any sector. The maximum loan amount, as I said earlier, is 10 million naira. The tenor for the loan is 12 months to 24 months. And then their charges, management fee is 1% flat, which is fine. The information they have on their website here, they said their security, that is the collateral that they collect, is acceptance of the BVN covenant. And what does that mean? The BVN covenant means that when you don't pay back, they can debit your account in any other bank using like a global standing instruction, GSI mandate. As long as that account is linked to your BVN, debit you and collect their money back. It's not a charity organization. You see, all those Nigerians that have bad habit of taking loan and not paying back, we will come for you, because you are the one of the people spoiling our banking industry. Because bad loans wreck banks. The second security that they collect, that is collateral that they collect, is personal guarantee of the customer. The customer has to guarantee the loan personally. Then insurance, and you also need positive credit checks. So if you have loans that you have taken that you have not paid back, especially those nicer loans, go and pay. If you know you need these loans, because immediately you have any bad loan, you will not get the loan. And your company profile to know what exactly your company is into. How do you apply? For the two loans that I've shared, both the one you can get from Access Bank, that's the Access Bank W Power loan, and this Z Woman package, all you need to do is walk up to the bank, any of the branches of the bank, most preferably the branch that you open your account, and speak with your account officer and tell them you need, if you're going to Access Bank, tell them you need W Power loan. If you're going to Zen Bank, say you need the Z Woman loan. For Access Bank, I know in your mind you're saying, what if I don't have account with Access Bank? Well, you need to open a business account with Access Bank, a company account, and run it for at least 1 month. Then you can bring your statement from your existing bank as long as you have enough turnover, and they can use that to start the process. For Zenith Bank, so I am assuming that that will be the same or something close, either to run for 1 month or to 3 or max of 3 months, and then they can take your statement from another bank and give you the loan. So again, if you are a businesswoman and you are running your business account very well, you have no business taking loans from loan sharks. Anyway, before I conclude today's video, I want you to know that this is just the first part of a series of videos that I'll be doing on how to get cheap loans without collateral of up to 10 million naira in Nigeria. So for you to know when the second video will be out, you need to subscribe to this channel. Just hit the subscribe button below and put on your notification. Drop a comment down below. I will see it and I will respond, and I'll be glad to be of help to you. Then please don't keep good things to yourself. Ensure that you share this video with fellow women, to your sister or your sister, your girlfriend, your fiancé, your wife, that you think this information will be beneficial to. The goal of this YouTube channel is to ensure that we reduce the number of MSMEs in Nigeria and make all those MSMEs that we have become large corporates. And this is how you can do it. I don't want to hear that funding is your problem in the new year you are going to. You want to prepare well by making most of this information and taking a step of faith. Take action today. Walk up to the branches of the bank and see how you can maximize it. I am glad to bring you this knowledge, but I'll be gladder if there's any English like that. I'll be happier if you take that step of faith today. Thank you very much for joining me today. See you in the next video. Once again, my name is Peter Babajide on the Street Banker channel. Bella ciao.